Okay, hi, my name is Habel. This is my first video attempt at eHarmony video chat, and I want to tell you about myself. Recent graduate of Crown University, and I love dogs. I love dogs. You just don't understand. I love dogs. I love little tiny dogs. I love big dogs. I love running dogs. I love walking with dogs. I love dogs. I love dogs when they go. And I love dogs. I just love dogs. I just love dogs. Excuse me. Ooh. I love dogs. You can tell I love dogs. What else about me? I love running. Oh God. I just thought about all the dogs running. All the dogs running out there. And I just want to hold them. I want to hug them. I want to throw frisbees to them. I want to have them ride in my car with their heads out the window. I love dogs.